Da Nang is one of the easiest cities in Vietnam for first-time visitors. It's a rare mix of beautiful beaches, local culture, great food, and a lifestyle that feels relaxed, but never boring. You don't need to rush here, you don't need complicated planning, and you definitely don't need to do everything you see on social media. In this video, I'll show you what's actually worth your time in Da Nang, and what you can safely skip if you're visiting for the first time. This is a countdown of 20 best things to do in Da Nang, based on real visitor experience, not hype. If this is your first trip to the city, this guide will help you enjoy Da Nang without wasting time, money, or energy. Let's start with number 1. Number 1. Walk along My Khe Beach. If this is your first time in Da Nang, My Khe Beach is non-negotiable. It's the city's most famous beach, and also the easiest one to enjoy. You don't need a tour, you don't need a plan, you don't even need to spend money. Just walk. Early morning is the best time. Locals come out to exercise, swim, and relax before the heat kicks in. The beach feels calm, clean, and very local. If you prefer later in the day, sunset works too. The light is softer, the air cools down, and the beach becomes a perfect place to slow things down. Swimming is easy here. The sand is wide, and the beach is long enough that it never feels crowded. For first-time visitors, My Khe Beach is the fastest way to understand Da Nang's vibe. Relaxed, open, and unpretentious. No planning, no pressure, just show up and enjoy. Number 2. See the Dragon Bridge at night. Dragon Bridge is the symbol of Da Nang. During the day, it's just a bridge. At night, it becomes an experience. After sunset, the bridge lights up, and the whole area around the Han River comes alive. Locals walk, street food vendors appear, and the city feels energetic, but not chaotic. If you're visiting on a weekend, this is especially worth it. On Saturday and Sunday nights, the dragon breathes fire and sprays water. It's short, simple, and very tourist-friendly. You don't need front-row positioning. Anywhere near the bridge works. The best way to do this is easy: have dinner nearby, then take a relaxed walk along the Han River and end at the bridge. No tickets, no planning stress. Just show up at the right time and enjoy one of Da Nang's most recognizable moments. Number 3. Visit Lady Buddha at Son Tra Peninsula. Lady Buddha at Son Tra Peninsula is one of the most peaceful places in Da Nang. It's home to the tallest Buddha statue in Vietnam, standing high above the city and facing the sea. From here, you get wide, panoramic views of the coastline. On a clear day, you can see the city, the ocean, and the mountains all at once. The area around the statue is quiet and well-maintained. People come here to walk slowly, take photos, or just enjoy the calm atmosphere. This is an easy stop to combine with other places on Son Tra Peninsula. You don't need to rush, and you don't need a strict schedule. For first-time visitors, Lady Buddha is a good balance, cultural, scenic, and relaxing, without feeling overwhelming. Number 4. Explore the Marble Mountains. The Marble Mountains are a cluster of limestone hills filled with caves, temples, and viewpoints. This is honestly one of the best places in Da Nang to experience culture and spiritual history in a very visual way. Inside the mountains, you'll walk through natural caves, past small pagodas, and find quiet prayer spaces hidden in the rock. Some areas feel cool and calm, while others open up with views looking out toward the city and the sea. Just a heads up, be prepared for stairs. This is not a flat walk, so wear comfortable shoes and bring water, especially during the day when it gets hot. For first-time visitors, the Marble Mountains are definitely worth the effort. They give you a deeper look at Da Nang beyond beaches, without needing a full-day trip. Take your time, move slowly, and enjoy the contrast between nature, culture, and silence. Number 5. Take a day trip to Hoi An. Hoi An is only about 30 minutes from Da Nang, and honestly, it's one of the easiest day trips you can do. The old town is famous for its lantern-lit streets, historic buildings, and simple but memorable food. You don't need to spend the whole day there. Hoi An actually works best in the late afternoon and evening. Arrive when the sun starts to soften, walk the old streets, have dinner by the river, and stay long enough to see the lanterns light up at night. For first-time visitors, this is an easy win: short travel time, a very different atmosphere, and a strong contrast to modern Da Nang. It's relaxed, walkable, and really beginner-friendly. Number 6. Stroll along the Han River. Walking along the Han River is honestly one of the easiest ways to feel Da Nang's local rhythm. This is really best done in the evening, when the temperature cools down and the city slows a bit. Locals come out to walk, talk, and relax. Street life feels active, but not overwhelming. There are plenty of cafés and small spots along the river, so you can stop anytime for a drink and just watch the city move. You don't need a destination here. The walk itself is the experience. If you have extra time in Da Nang, this is a simple, low-effort way to enjoy the city, especially after dinner. Alright, number 7. Try local Central Vietnam food. Central Vietnam food tastes different from what you'll find in the north or the south. Flavors here are more balanced, sometimes a little salty, sometimes rich, but not heavy. You should start with mi quang. It looks like a noodle soup, but it's much drier, with herbs, peanuts, and just a small amount of broth. Next, try bun cha ka. That's fish cake noodle soup. It's light, simple, and very local. And hey, if you like something crispy, banh sao is definitely worth it. These are thin, crunchy pancakes filled with shrimp, pork, and herbs, and they're usually eaten by hand. The best part? Prices are very reasonable, even in local spots near the city center. You really don't need to search for famous restaurants. In Da Nang, small local places often serve the best food. If you want to understand the city, eat what locals eat. Number 8. Visit a local market. If you want a quick look at daily life in Da Nang, visit a local market. Han Market and Khan Market are the two easiest options for visitors. These places are busy, loud, and honestly, very real. You'll see fresh produce, local snacks, household goods, and people shopping the same way they do every day. You don't need to buy much. Just walking through, looking around, and absorbing the atmosphere is enough. This is a good place to understand what locals eat, what they cook, and how everyday life actually works. Go during the morning or early afternoon for the best energy. For first-time visitors, a short market visit adds context to everything else you see in the city. Number 9. Relax with a local massage. After a full day of walking and sightseeing, a local massage is an easy way to reset. Massage services are everywhere in Da Nang, and prices are generally affordable compared to Western countries. You don't need a luxury spa. Simple, clean neighborhood massage shops are often more than enough. A basic foot massage or full-body massage helps relieve sore legs, especially if you've been walking beaches, markets, and city streets all day. Look for places with clear pricing, clean rooms, and a calm, no-pressure atmosphere. If something feels rushed or uncomfortable, it's totally okay to leave. There are plenty of options nearby. This is one of those experiences that just fits naturally into your day, without planning or stress. Number 10. Cham Sculpture Museum. If you want to understand Da Nang beyond beaches, this is a great place to start. The Cham Sculpture Museum introduces you to the ancient Cham civilization, which once ruled much of central Vietnam. Inside, you'll find stone sculptures, carvings, and religious artifacts that are hundreds of years old, all displayed in a quiet, well-organized space. The museum is easy to visit, not overwhelming, and honestly, perfect for first-time visitors. You can walk through it in about 30 to 45 minutes, making it an ideal stop between other activities. It adds cultural context to everything else you see in Da Nang, without taking up your whole day. Number 11. Ba Na Hills Cable Car. This is one of the most famous experiences near Da Nang, and for good reason. The Ba Na Hills Cable Car is one of the longest and highest cable car systems in the world, taking you from the city's outskirts up into the mountains. As you ride, you'll see dense green forests, rolling hills, and feel that cooler mountain air. The experience feels very different from Da Nang's beaches and city streets. Even if you don't spend the entire day at Ba Na Hills, the cable car ride alone is worth it for the views and the sense of scale. Go early in the morning to avoid crowds and expect cooler temperatures compared to the city below. It's a great way to add variety to your trip, especially if you want a break from the coastline. Number 12. Walk on the Golden Bridge. The Golden Bridge is one of Vietnam's most recognizable landmarks. Held up by two giant stone hands, this pedestrian bridge sits high in the mountains at Ba Na Hills and offers sweeping views when the weather is clear. That said, the experience depends heavily on the weather. On clear days, the views are impressive and the bridge feels almost surreal. On foggy or rainy days, visibility can be very limited. Before you go, it's a good idea to check the weather forecast. Go early in the morning and allow extra time for crowds. Even though it's popular and often busy, walking across the Golden Bridge is still a unique experience, especially for first-time visitors to Da Nang. Number 13. Visit Na Nuoc Beach. If My Khe feels too busy, Na Nuoc Beach is a calmer alternative. Located closer to the Marble Mountains, this beach is quieter, more spacious, and honestly, often overlooked by short-term visitors. The atmosphere here is really relaxed. There are fewer people, less noise, and just more room to slow down. It's a great place to take a peaceful walk, sit with a coffee, or simply enjoy the sound of the waves. There's no big plan needed. Just show up, find a quiet spot, and let the pace of Da Nang do the rest. Na Nuoc Beach is ideal if you want a break from crowds and a more laid-back seaside experience. Number 14. Enjoy Da Nang cafe culture. Da Nang has a cafe scene that's really easy to love, especially if you enjoy slowing down. You'll find cafes everywhere, beachfront cafes with ocean views, rooftop cafes overlooking the city, and quiet neighborhood spots tucked away from traffic. This is where the city's relaxed rhythm really shows. Cafes are perfect for taking a midday break, escaping the heat, or just watching daily life go by. You don't need to rush or plan much. Just order a coffee, find a comfortable seat, and enjoy the calm. For first-time visitors, this is honestly one of the simplest ways to experience Da Nang like a local. Unhurried, casual, and stress-free. Number 15. Take a Han River boat cruise. In the evening, the Han River becomes one of the most pleasant places to be in Da Nang. A short boat cruise lets you see the city skyline from the water, with bridges and buildings lighting up after sunset. It's a relaxed experience. There's no long walking, the evening air is cool, and you get a totally different view of the city. This isn't a must-do for everyone, but it's worth trying if you want something easy and low effort at night. The cruise usually lasts about 30 to 45 minutes, just enough time to enjoy the views without feeling rushed or bored. If you've already spent the day exploring, this is a comfortable way to wind down your evening. Number 16. Visit a 3D art museum. If you're looking for something light and fun, a 3D art museum is an easy option. These museums are designed for interaction, not just looking, but posing, playing, and taking photos. It's especially suitable for families with kids, couples, or really anyone who wants a break from outdoor activities. You don't need much time here. Most visits take about an hour, making it a simple add-on between other plans. It's not a deep cultural experience, but it's entertaining, relaxed, and good for creating memorable photos, especially if the weather isn't great outside. Number 17. Explore Santra Peninsula further. If you have a bit of confidence on the road, exploring the Santra Peninsula is honestly one of the most rewarding experiences in Da Nang. The coastal road wraps around the peninsula, offering stunning ocean views, sharp curves, and that fresh sea air along the way. Renting a motorbike makes it easy to stop at small viewpoints, quiet beaches, and hidden temples. You don't need to rush. The beauty of Santra is in taking it slow and just enjoying the ride. Traffic is generally light compared to the city center, but ride carefully and avoid bad weather. This is a great way to see a more natural, less touristy side of Da Nang. Number 18. Watch sunrise or sunset by the sea. This is honestly one of the simplest experiences in Da Nang, and, one of the most memorable. In the early morning, locals walk, exercise, and swim as the sun rises over the ocean. The atmosphere is calm, fresh, and unhurried. At sunset, the beaches feel softer and quieter, with warm light reflecting off the water. You don't need tickets, reservations, or any planning at all. Just show up, slow down, and take it in. Whether it's sunrise or sunset, this moment really captures the spirit of Da Nang, relaxed, coastal, and beautifully uncomplicated. Sometimes, doing nothing at all is the best thing you can do here. Number 19. Slow down and enjoy the city. Da Nang isn't really a city that rewards a packed schedule. What makes it special is the space to slow down, to walk without rushing, sit without checking the time, and just let days unfold naturally. If you try to do too much, the city can honestly feel a bit ordinary. But if you move slowly, it really starts to feel meaningful. Spend an afternoon at a cafe, take an unplanned walk by the river, return to the same beach more than once. Da Nang works best as a place to rest, reset, and breathe. It's not about how much you see, it's about how relaxed you feel while you're here. Number 20. Visit a night market in Da Nang City. Night markets are honestly one of the easiest evening experiences for first-time visitors in Da Nang. You can just walk around without any pressure, try some local street food, and browse small stalls selling souvenirs and handmade items. The atmosphere is lively, but not overwhelming. Busy enough to feel exciting, yet still relaxed compared to bigger cities. Night markets work especially well after seeing the Dragon Bridge at night, since many are located nearby. You really don't need a plan, just wander, snack a little, and enjoy the energy of the city after dark. It's a simple, low-stress way to end your day in Da Nang. Bonus: practical travel tips. The best time to visit Da Nang is from February to August for dry, beach-friendly weather. Stay near My Khe Beach or the Han River for convenience. Use Grab or rent a motorbike to get around. Eat local for better prices. Watch traffic and secure your valuables. It's really that easy. Easy entry, easy travel. Da Nang is honestly one of the safest and easiest cities in Vietnam for first-time visitors. It offers a rare balance: beaches, culture, great food, and a lifestyle that feels calm rather than rushed. You don't need a packed plan to enjoy it. Just arrive, slow down, and let the city do the rest. If this guide helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more practical travel tips, and check out the next video to keep planning your Vietnam journey.